Hey guys, Mrs. Filpi. I hope you guys have had a great week so far, and I hope you've enjoyed finding figuring out how to find volume on all the lessons this week. We are going to do one of my favorite lessons right now, and that's finding volume, but this time you have to find volume by counting the unit cubes. This is one of my favorite lessons. Okay, only thing with these, you have to be tricky because some of them are hidden. Some of the unit cubes within here are hidden, and you have to think, you know, how is this guy up here standing all alone if he's not standing on something? Okay, so you have to think about what could be underneath in unit cubes that you can't see. So for this one, we're going to find the volume. We're going to count the unit cubes. What I like to do is I like to think of layers. So on your previous lessons, you did length times base times, length times width times height, or you did base times height to find your volume. For these, it's going to be kind of hard to do that because they're not one solid prism. They're kind of weird shapes. Okay, so for these, I'm going to do my bottom layer first, and I'm going to think, okay, this is 3, and then now I have 2. So 3 times 2 is what? 6. Good, so that bottom layer is 6. Okay, now the middle layer, I have 2, and I have another 2. What's 2 times 2? That's 4. So the middle layer has 4, bottom layer has 6 so far. Now my top layer, I only have how many? Good, 1. Okay, so now what would I do? What do you think I'd do with all these numbers to figure out the total volume? I would add. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So the volume of this shape is 11 cubic units. Okay, and that's how we find volume of shapes like this. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so if you happen to have questions or you're not understanding something, just message me and I'll be able to help you. Okay, okay, so for this one, I like to do by layers. Okay, so then I don't miss any. So what I'm going to do for this one, look at this. This is all one layer right here. So I kind of just like took a layer off, or I kind of highlighted it so you can see it a little better. That's all one layer. How many is in that layer right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5 in just this layer right here. But how many layers do I have? 1, 2, 3 of those. So how would I figure out how many are in the whole entire shape? Yes, I would do 5 because there's in one layer times 3. That equals 15. So the volume is 15 cubic units. Okay, one more. Okay, this one's tricky. Okay, back layer. Let's think of what. Let's just see what we see right now. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, this is all 1 right here. These are all cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, there's 8. Then 9. Okay, how is this guy popping out by himself? Okay, there's got to be something behind him to make him stick out like that. So my volume is not 9. My volume is 10 because there's one back here behind this guy that's hidden. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the hidden one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this one sticking out is 10. So 10 cubic units is the volume. Okay, all right, these are fun. Have fun with these. Let me know if you have questions. See you later. Bye.